Welcome to your smile transformation journey. Let's quickly dive into what's in your starter kit. First, you'll find several toothbrushes, including a standard toothbrush and a travel-sized brush for use at home or on the go. There is also an interproximal brush, or proxy brush, for reaching tight spots and under your wire. Brushing after every meal is key to maintaining proper oral hygiene. Next is a sample platypus orthodontic flosser. These specially designed flossers slide under arch wires and between brackets to allow fast and convenient flossing while you're in braces. Remember, you should floss every day. Lastly, orthodontic wax can be applied to ease any pokey wires or irritation inside your mouth caused by your braces. Thoroughly dry the area, then apply a small amount of wax directly onto the bracket or wire causing issues. Taking care of your braces is a big deal, and everything in this bag is here to make it easier. And remember, we're always here for you.